Yes. The year is 2026. Yeah, I can write essays, generate art, and even make your morning call. But you brave programmer, are wondering, should I learn C or C++? Because apparently learning Python wasn't painful enough. Let's set the scene. AI today are powered by massive GPU farms, neural network with 100 billion parameters, and a single C++ engineer at Nvidia who hasn't slept since 2016.
Yeah, it compiles on a machine. Eventually.
So while everyone is prompt engineering ChatGPT, you're thinking about manual memory allocation. Gotta respect that. Let's start with C. C is like the old mechanic who has been fixing engines since before the internet existed. It's small, fast, and terrifyingly close to the hardware. One wrong pointer and boom. But here's the thing, C is everywhere. Operating system, embedded devices, even the code running your AI model deep down at the kernel level, all is just C. So if you want to understand how computer works, like really works, not just pipe install torch, learning C will turn you into something. I'm not really good with titles and things. Now, C++ is C's overachieving cousin who went to college, got few degrees, and somehow still uses pointer. C++ gives you all the low-level control of C, but adds shiny things like object-oriented programming, templates, and most important of all,
Existential threats.
it's what powers gaming engines, browsers, and AI framework like TensorFlow and PyTorch. So when you train your neural network to recognize cats, that's actually a bunch of C++ code in the background. Okay, you say, but
In 2026, why not just use Python? It's the language of AI after all.
Python is the language of AI. If by language you mean fancy C++ wrapper with a cutie little syntax. Every time you call .fit in Scarish language, somehow deep down C++ is doing all the heavy lifting. Honest, Python is basically the friendly front desk clerk, while C++ is a grumpy engineer in the basement making sure the building doesn't explode. So, should you learn C or C++ in the AI era? Well, it depends. If you want to understand computers from ground up and write things that never crash, okay, they will still crash, but at least you will know why. Go with C. If you want to work on performance critical system, game engines, or build the next PyTorch, learn C++. Want to train chatbots and avoid headache? Stick with Python. Because in the end, all programming language eventually compiles down to pain. There you go, you understand it now. So I have linked some resources in the description, and when you are down there, consider subscribing and liking the video. It's helping makes me more videos like this. Thank you for watching.